What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be checking another play to earn project, and the name of the game is Golden Goose or GGoose. So if you're new to the channel guys, please consider subscribing. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, anything and everything about crypto. Before we move on, just a quick message guys, I'm not a professional advisor and this video is purely for educational and informational purposes only. So let's get it on. Alright guys, so Golden Goose landing page link will be in the description of the video. That way when you do your own research, you can go ahead and just click on it. It will take you directly to the website itself, okay? Let's go ahead and check out the website and let's focus on the things that I feel. Again, just like what we always do, we just focus on the things that we feel you guys need to know more, okay? So own a golden goose and lay golden eggs. You know, there's a lot of projects that talks about animals already. Have you noticed? There's like apes, there's like monkeys and all those stuff. Now you have goose. What's next? Like horses and all those good stuff, right? Okay, so welcome to GGoose. Be the first to own these one-of-a-kind rare GGoose NFTs. Choose your favorite from our selection. So go ahead and check this one out. Click to own. Let's see where it goes and takes us. Okay, this is actually the page where it will take you once you register in the website. Okay, so I registered and then I also connected my wallet. That way I could get into this dashboard interface, and there are a lot of different tabs here on the left. Let's go ahead and check the other ones out later on after we're done with the website. Okay, so guys, here is the flow of the gameplay. So first you have to own a goose, then claim golden eggs daily, so it lays eggs. I think they have like different rarities for the goose, and let's go ahead and check on that once we head on to their marketplace as we move on. So stake golden eggs for grain and then feed the goose. So I would assume that you would need to buy this NFT for you to feed the goose, because I mean, that's also a good way to add on to their burning mechanism. So next one would be grow the goose weight, and then bigger goose lays more eggs, and then that just goes back to claim the eggs, take golden eggs for grain, and yada yada. Okay, so what is the story of this game? So in a small village far into the hills, there lived a poor farmer and his wife. They survived on the simple vegetables they grow. So I will leave the link of the website in the description of the video. When you do your own research, you can go ahead and click on that and then just scroll down a bit. You could watch this video out during your own time because it's gonna take a long while for you to finish up the entire video. I don't want to bore you with that. Okay, so why own a golden goose? So GGoose or Golden Goose is a community-driven project focused on life education using the famous fable from Aesop. I hope they pronounced that right. The goose that laid the golden eggs. Our focus is to leave a mark on the NFT space by making a positive impact on the world. We want to make NFT accessible to most people at much reduced price point. This will entitle you to the Wild Goose Chase event that will take place in the historical city of Malacca. Maybe they're Malaysians. A GGoose token, its utility, and its involvement in life education. So this is just phase 1. Phase 2 will blow your minds as we prepare you for more adventures ahead. So flight plan, this is what they have or what they will have. So exclusive merch and collectibles. They have like caps, t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise. GGoose token, so that is their token name. Token evolution utility process begins. Then you have the community wallet deployed. Events, so Wild Goose Chase events, Wild Goose Chase charity and donation drive. Life education, so I feel like, you know, this project is like for a good cause. So hopefully they would remain true to what they are putting in here. So this is the team. They are using avatars. So Joseph's the founder, Violet the co-founder as well, and the others. So they did not use the real picture though. So the next one would be join the community for the latest news, updates, and access to pre-release content. I will post those links in the description of the video. You have the Discord, the Twitter, the Instagram, they have the YouTube as well, of course, their website. Okay, so let's go on to the ones that you could see when you create an account with them. So you have your details here. Added my email here and my username, the wallet address. You could also put your Discord name and generate referral. And then you have my team. You don't have anything on that. I don't have any NFTs yet, so that's blank. Bonus, I don't have any bonus since I haven't even invested yet in this project. BNB transaction still blank. With BNB still blank, let's go ahead and check the marketplace. So let's check on this one. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Let's click on one and see what details we would be able to see in this NFT. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so it's not working yet. So it's understandable, guys, because again, the project, it's still under construction. So there's going to be a lot of updates along the way. Go ahead and join their socials. That way you will be informed, or you will be notified once there are new updates, raffles, giveaways, and all those good stuff. Go ahead and join all their socials. Customer support. So if you have any questions, if you have any like feedback or suggestions for the betterment of the project, and go ahead and do so. You have Get Support and you have Discord here as well. And then of course, all of those socials will be in the description of the video. So again, guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, click that subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, anything and everything crypto. So things that, you know, would be able to generate income for you. All right. So that's it for now. I'm out. Peace.